Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the footage that cinema mode needs. Shoot with stable framing and clear foreground subjects. Once you have takes, review quickly and tag the clips you will actually edit. Make sure to keep a primary subject per shot because cinematic mode relies on depth data to shift focus. If you shot multiple passes, pick the one with clean lighting and minimal motion blur. Now import only the chosen clips into your editing timeline to avoid clutter and speed up the workflow. You will now sculpt attention, scrub through the clip, and add keyframes where you want focus transitions. Once done, gently nudge the focal point toward secondary subjects, using short, intentional moves rather than rapid jumps. Simultaneously adjust depth strength or virtual aperture to blend foreground and background naturally. Make sure to stabilize any handheld jitter and apply a basic color grade so focus pulls read clearly. If audio cues exist, sync your focus shifts to sounds when it enhances storytelling. This connects sight, and you finish by exporting with a high bitrate, same frame rate setting to preserve depth fidelity. Before finalizing, playback full screen to catch halos or sudden focus pops. If you see problems, retime nearby keyframes to smooth transitions. If artifacts persist, reduce depth strength or retract the subject with more conservative moves. Make sure to render a short proof clip, then review on the target device. Phones display depth differently than monitors. Deliver the final file once focus, color, and motion all read naturally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.